in, on, at. Hello everybody, my name is Dina and I'm a teacher, and today we are going to see how to use in, on, at when we talk about places. It's not a good idea to memorize rules. The best thing you can do is to memorize tips, examples, pictures. And if the examples are real, and if the examples are about yourselves, better. There's one expression in English that I like very much, and it is, a picture is worth 1,000 words. And this is why I have 3 pictures for you today. Look at the first picture. What can you see? A house, all right. But let's just imagine that this building can be a school, the university, your house, the company you work for, any place. What you need to remember now is that we are talking about the complete building. And when we talk about the complete building, this is when we use at. Some examples. Where's your brother? He's at the university. And where's Maria? She's at work. And your mother? She's at home. At work, at the university, at home, at the train station, at school. It doesn't matter if you are inside, outside, at the door. The thing is that we are talking about the complete building. Look at the second picture now. What can you see? A living room. Now we are inside the building. So when we talk about any place inside the building, this is when we need to use in. Let's see some examples. In the living room, in the kitchen, in the office, in the fruit section, in a meeting room. Now we can do something a little bit more interesting. We're gonna mix 2 examples together. Let's see some examples. At home, in the living room, at the supermarket, in the fruit section, at the company, in the office. Let's move on to the next picture. Look at it. What can you see? A street. A street is a surface. Remember, any kind of surface is always gonna be on. Let's see some examples again. If you ask me, hey Dina, where are you? I can say, I'm at the train station on platform 9. Another possibility. If you ask me, hey Dina, where do you usually do classes? I do classes at a company on Grand Via Avenue in a meeting room. These are my real examples. Why don't you write down your examples down in the comment sections below? And the next time you need to use in, on, at, then just remember your examples, nothing else. My real example, at a company in a meeting room on Grand Via Avenue. And you know what? That's not all. We are talking about places. What happens when we talk about location? This is when we have to use in. In Barcelona, in Spain, in Peru, in Latin America, in the USA. So if you ask me the question again, Dina, where do you do classes? Then I will have to say, at a company, on Grand Via Avenue, in a meeting room, in Barcelona. Write down your examples. Something else you can do is to try to imagine the same examples, the same thing, but now with your hand. The hand is the complete building. And therefore, you can say, at work, at home, at the supermarket. This is the complete building. At the complete building. Now, at the supermarket, in the fruit section. At work, in the office. At home, in the living room. More complete now. At work, in the office, on the first floor. At the supermarket, in the fruit section, on the ground floor. And my example again would be at a company on Grand Via Avenue in different meeting rooms in Barcelona. At, on, in. At, on, in. It's absolutely true that your brain is always gonna remember funny tips, singing, pictures, drawings, examples. And the best thing you can do is to remember real examples. Don't forget. And with all this, no more confusions, believe me. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like it, share it. I'll be back soon with more ideas, tips and tricks to improve your English. Goodbye.